Ever wondered how you can grow your own garden in a limited space? Enter vertical gardening, a savvy solution that brings lush greenery to your urban home. This innovative approach transforms small spaces into thriving green havens. Let's dive into the process and see how you can set up your own vertical garden. First things first, gather your gardening tools and materials. You'll need a vertical structure or frame, pots or containers, a quality potting mix, and of course, plants. Remember, the right plants are crucial for successful vertical gardening. With all these materials ready, you are set to begin your gardening journey. Now it's time to get your hands dirty and start setting up your garden. First, attach your containers to your chosen structure. Make sure they're secure. Next, fill them with a good quality potting mix. It's time to introduce your plants. Plant them in the containers, ensuring each one has enough space to grow and flourish. Remember, proper arrangement and spacing are key to a healthy vertical garden. And there you have it. Voila! You now have your very own vertical garden. A garden requires care and attention. Here are some tips to help you maintain your vertical garden. Regular watering is key, keeping in mind that your top plants may dry out faster than those at the bottom. Pruning is another important task, ensuring your plants stay in top shape and promoting new growth. Don't forget to check for pests routinely, as a minor infestation can quickly become a major problem. With these tips, you'll ensure your vertical garden stays lush and healthy. And there you have it, your very own vertical garden. From gathering materials to the joy of first blooms, it's a rewarding journey. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!